Today, I'm going to guide you through the basics of Word so you can start creating professional-looking documents in no time. Before we get started, you can support me through Buy Me a Coffee service. The link to my Buy Me a Coffee profile is in the description below this video. First things first, let's open Microsoft Word. When you launch the program, you'll be greeted with the Start screen. Here, you can open a new document, choose from a variety of templates, or open a recent file. To create a new blank document, click on Blank Document. This is where you'll start from scratch. If you need a template for a specific type of document like a resume or report, click on More Templates to browse the available options. For this tutorial, we'll start with a blank document to give you a complete overview of Word's features. Let's take a quick tour of the Word interface. At the top, you'll see the ribbon, which contains tabs like Home, Insert, Design, and more. Each tab holds a collection of tools you'll use to format your document. The Quick Access toolbar, located in the upper left corner, allows you to quickly access common commands like Save, Undo, and Redo. The ribbon. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to format your text, insert images, create tables, and more. Document area. The document area is where you'll do all your typing and editing. You can scroll through your document using the scroll bar on the right side. As you work, you'll switch between tabs on the ribbon to access different sets of tools. Don't worry if it seems overwhelming. Once you start using these features, they'll become second nature. Now let's start by typing some text. Once you've added your text, you can format it to make it look exactly how you want. To change the font, size, or color, highlight the text you want to format and use the options in the Home tab. You can choose from a wide range of fonts, adjust the size, and apply bold, italic, or underline effects. To align your text, use the alignment buttons in the paragraph group. You can align text to the left, center, right, or justify it. Use bullet points or numbered lists to organize your content. Just select the text and click on the bullets or numbering icons in the Home tab. Formatting is key to making your document look professional. Experiment with different styles to find what works best for your content. Next, let's make your document more engaging by adding images, tables, and shapes. To insert an image, go to the Insert tab and click on Pictures. You can choose an image from your computer or search online. Once inserted, you can resize, move, and format the image using the picture tools. Tables are great for organizing data. Click on Table in the Insert tab, then drag to select the number of rows and columns you need. You can then enter data directly into the table and format it using the table tools. To add shapes, click on Shapes in the Insert tab. Choose from a variety of options like circles, rectangles, arrows, and more. Once you've inserted a shape, you can customize its color, outline, and size. These elements can help make your document more visually appealing and easier to understand. Once you're happy with your document, it's time to save it. Click on File in the top left corner and select Save As. Choose a location on your computer, give your document a name, and click Save. Saving your work regularly is important, so make sure to hit Save often as you work. And that's it. You now have the basic skills to create and format your own documents in Microsoft Word. With practice, you'll be able to produce professional quality documents for any purpose. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest tutorials. If you have any questions or tips of your own, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.